We all mislay things, don't we, from time to time? Sometimes they turn up and no one is any the wiser. But look towards the sky tomorrow evening with a decent pair of binoculars and you might just be able to spot an item of lost property circling the Earth. A tool bag that a pair of NASA astronauts accidentally let go of when doing some repairs to the International Space Station was lost in space 3 weeks ago.
Okay, copy.
It's an easy mistake to make. 400 kilometres above Earth, you're doing a spot of DIY. The fiddly task of reconfiguring the Ethernet cable and replacing the trundle bearing assembly. You put down your toolkit, only to turn round and discover it's not where you left it.
Do not see my bag.
We saw it earlier. So if you want to kind of retrace your paths back to CP8 and kind of around that work site to see if you can get eyes on crew lock bag P.
Despite going back, the two NASA astronauts couldn't find the crew lock bag.
Okay, I'm looking in for it. I don't see my bag.
Far from being lost in space, the bag was snapped days later by a Japanese astronaut as he flew over Mount Fuji, and stargazers on Earth are tracking the tool bag too.
The tool bag is going to be rising from the southwest, which is over in this direction over here, and gradually, over the course of only about 5 minutes or so, it's going to move further to the east.
Far closer than any star, the small but highly reflective bag is shining brightly as it speeds through the sky.
We know it's following the same path as the International Space Station. We know that the tool bag is about 10 minutes ahead of it now, so it's traveling quite fast. So the idea would be to know where the space station is going to be, and then 5 to 10 minutes beforehand, look in that spot. Hopefully you'll see the tool bag.
With the help of binoculars, the floating tool bag is expected to be visible in the UK tomorrow evening across parts of South Wales, the Cotswolds and Oxfordshire, before it tracks across the northernmost suburbs of London towards the east coast. But it isn't the only unexpected item to enter orbit. In 1965, Ed White lost a spare glove while becoming the first American to make a spacewalk.
Looks like a thermal glove, Jim.
In 2007, this camera drifted away after coming loose, and this was the moment when another tool bag broke free.
Oh, great.
During repairs to the International Space Station in 2008. So look up and you may just catch sight of an astronaut's toolkit orbiting the Earth.